Welcome all students. I am a private teacher of math. This channel is to help in learning of math. Today we have exercise change the order of integration. We have double integral. Limits of x minus 2, limits of y minus root square of 4 minus x squared and 0. This notation means we integral with respect to y first. After that, we integral with respect to x. Limits of x are numbers minus 2, 2. Limits of x are not variables. It's not coincidence, it's very important. Integration with respect to x is last. And because of that, limits of x cannot be variables. All students should remember this. Origin of this integration is x between minus 2 and 2 and y between minus root square of 4 minus x squared and 0. I draw this region, but first I draw it's important to notice this is equation of semicircle. This is lower limit of y. Y is minus root square of 4 minus x squared. From this I obtain y squared equals 4 minus x squared, and from this we have x squared plus y squared equals 4. This is equation of circle. I draw this circle. Circle, radius of the circle is 2, but I have to remember we have no all circle. We have only semicircle because we have in this place semicircle. Y is between semicircle and line straight. X is between minus 2 and 2. Minus 2 and 2, it's simple. Semicircle is this. We have minus, and because of that semicircle is below the x-axis. But we have to change the order of integration. In this integration, limits of x are numbers. In new integration, after the changing the order of integration, limits of y are numbers. From this picture we can see y is between minus 2 and 0. Limits of y is not a problem, it's not difficult. But I have to have limits of x, and I draw second picture. To obtain the limits of x, I draw green straight line parallel to x-axis. The green line straight have two common points with semicircle. With this semicircle we have points this, and with this semicircle we have common points this. A range of x is between this point and this point. We have to have equation of this curve, the green semicircle. The green semicircle has non-positive x. The red semicircle has non-negative x. I write again equation of circle x squared plus y squared equals 4. From this equation x squared equals x squared equals 4 minus y squared, and from this equation x equals plus minus the root square of 4 minus y squared. We have plus minus. We have two curves, two semicircle, one semicircle and second semicircle. This curve has non-positive x. Because of that, x equals minus the root square of 4 minus x squared. This curve has non-negative x. Because of that, x equals plus the root square of 4 minus y squared. In this place we have new overview of region. The same region but new overview. New limits. Y is between minus 2 and 0, x is between minus root square of 4 minus x squared and root square of 4 minus y squared. In this place, y squared should be. I say again. X is between minus root square of 4 minus y squared and root square of 4 minus y squared, and y is between minus 2 and 0. Now the first double integration equals new double integration, but it's the same because we only change the order of integration. In this integration, x has constant limits. In this integration, y has constant limits.